Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can control your profile, how you can change your profile, how you can edit your profile and Asana account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our account, and after opening the account, we need to go to our profile section. And after going to a profile section, you will be able to see the profile icon here. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, if you want to upload your picture, simply you have to click on this. And after clicking on this, you need to select a picture. For example, I'm going to choose my picture, and now let's choose the picture. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and we have to click on the open. And after clicking on the open, as you can see, the picture will be edited. If you want to add a job title, you can also add that. And if you want to add your team member or the about section, you can also add that. And if you want to edit your name, you can manage each and everything. You have to click on the edit profile. As you can see, now you can write job title, department, team, pronouns, and email, about profile section, status, outline. You can manage each and everything here: notification, email, account, display, each and everything. So in this way, you can manage your profile on Asana account. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.